What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm diving into the world of ABS sensors. I'll be explaining how these crucial components operate, what you need to know about their maintenance, and how much you can expect to pay if you need to replace one. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to understand your vehicle better, this video will provide you with valuable insights. So, let's get started. Find the best garage to change your ABS sensor. See garages. The ABS sensor is one of your car's sensors. It's part of the ABS system, which prevents your wheels from locking in the event of emergency braking. There is one ABS sensor per wheel. The sensor then transmits the information to the ECU, which triggers wheel unlocking. How does an ABS sensor work? What are the different types of ABS sensor? What are the symptoms of an ABS sensor out of order? How do you test a faulty or blocked ABS sensor? How do I clean the ABS sensor? How much does an ABS sensor replacement cost? Find the best garage to change your ABS sensor. See garages. How does an ABS sensor work? ABS, anti-lock braking system, is an assistance system that prevents the car's wheels from locking during emergency braking. ABS therefore significantly reduces braking distances and ensures vehicle control on slippery surfaces, snow, rain, ice, gravel, etc. To work properly, ABS requires a sensor on each wheel, a computer, and a hydraulic brake control system. The ABS sensors send information on wheel speed to the car's ECU. If the ECU detects that a wheel has locked, it reduces the braking pressure exerted on the wheel to enable it to turn again and regain grip. When the wheel regains grip, the system brakes again, but without locking the wheel, to maintain the tire's grip. The ABS sensor receives a square wave signal whose frequency is proportional to the tire's rotation speed. However, the intensity of the signal is not conditioned by speed. The detection technology we've implemented could allow us to read it from 0 km per hour. Passive ABS sensors, these are fitted with a coil covered by a magnetic core and a permanent magnet. Passive ABS sensors operate only when the wheel reaches a set minimum rotation speed. What are the different types of ABS sensor? Find the best garage to change your ABS sensor. See garages. What are the symptoms of a worn ABS sensor? The ABS sensor is an electronic part. It can fail because of a cable problem or a short circuit, but also because of excessive fouling or a problem with the wheel. There are several symptoms that may alert you to the fact that one of your ABS sensors is defective. Your ABS warning light is on. Find the best garage to change your ABS sensor. See garages. What are the symptoms of an ABS sensor out of order? If you find yourself in any of the above situations, you need to get to a garage quickly to have your car and ABS system inspected. Good to know. It's a good idea to always have spare fuses in your glove compartment, as many ABS problems are caused by one or more faulty fuses. How do I test a faulty or blocked ABS sensor? If your ABS warning light is on, one of the ABS system components is faulty. To find out if the problem is with the sensors, you can test them to make sure they are working properly. The easiest way to do this is to use a multimeter to check the voltage drop across the negative circuit between the ABS sensor and the ECU ground. Be sure to use the multimeter probes behind the ECU and ABS sensor connectors. If you disconnect the sensor while the ignition is on, an error code will appear and the system will be out of order. As a reminder, ABS sensors only work if they are supplied with electricity. Equipment required. Step 1. Switch multimeter to millivolt mode. How do you test a faulty or blocked ABS sensor? Step 2. Take an initial measurement. Start by taking an initial measurement, then turn the car wheel very slowly, then stop and resume measuring the voltage. Step 3. Continue taking measurements. If you have any doubts about the condition of your ABS sensors, don't hesitate to visit a garage to make sure they are working properly. Without ABS, your safety on the road is no longer fully guaranteed, so don't delay. How to clean the ABS sensor. When your ABS warning light comes on, it could be a malfunction of your ABS sensor. Dirt can accumulate on the sensor, impairing its operation. In such cases, cleaning may be the solution. To do this, you'll need to go through a number of steps. Good to know, you mustn't use any chemicals on your ABS sensor. This could damage it. Refit your wheel, position it correctly and tighten the fixing bolts. Then repeat the operation on all your ABS sensors and lower your vehicle. How much does an ABS sensor replacement cost? On average, the price of an ABS sensor replacement is between €40 and €80, depending on the car model. This includes not only the replacement of the ABS sensors, but also their configuration in the car's ECU. If your ABS warning light is on, it's important that you visit a garage as soon as possible, as your safety is no longer guaranteed. In the event of emergency braking, don't forget that our trusted garages are at your service to change your ABS sensors at the best price. Find the best garage to change your ABS sensor. ABS sensor. Different types of ABS sensor. ABS sensor symptoms test. ABS sensor set multimeter. To correct mode, take first measurement. ABS sensor cleaning. Price. D sensor change. Find the best garage to change your ABS sensor. In conclusion, understanding the operation and maintenance of your ABS sensor is crucial for ensuring optimal vehicle performance and safety. Regular checks and timely replacements can prevent costly repairs down the line. As we discussed, prices for ABS sensors can vary widely, typically ranging from $50 to several $100, depending on the make and model of your vehicle. By staying informed and proactive, you can keep your braking system functioning effectively and enhance your overall driving experience. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.